Does your small garden feel cold, lifeless, or too modern to ever feel cozy? Many people think rustic charm only belongs in large countryside homes, but that belief keeps them from creating warm, inviting spaces in their own tiny gardens. Hello friends, welcome to Garden Glow. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment below, because today, I'll share rustic small garden design ideas for 2025 that will bring cozy countryside vibes right into your own backyard. Rustic design is all about natural textures and simplicity. Instead of polished plastic decor, choose weathered wood, stone, and terracotta. A simple wooden crate used as a planter or a clay pot with herbs instantly adds warmth. These imperfect, natural elements are what make a space feel truly alive. Plants should feel wild but intentional. Mix herbs like rosemary, thyme, and mint with flowers such as daisies, sunflowers, or marigolds. Their natural colors and scents create that countryside feel without needing a big garden. Let a few plants spill freely over their pots. The beauty is in the imperfections. Adding rustic accents can transform the mood completely. Old lanterns, watering cans repurposed as planters, or even a handmade birdhouse bring character. In 2025, recycled decor is trending, so you can use old wood, baskets, or even barrels to create charm on a budget. Seating makes a rustic garden complete. A simple wooden bench, a rocking chair, or even a few straw cushions on stone create a cozy corner to relax. Imagine sitting there in the evening, surrounded by herbs and soft light, feeling the countryside right at home. And don't forget lighting. Warm fairy lights, lanterns, or candles in mason jars give a rustic glow that feels magical at night. The softer and more natural the light, the cozier your space becomes. So, if your garden feels dull or lifeless, remember this. You don't need a countryside home to have countryside vibes. With rustic design, even the smallest garden in 2025 can feel warm, cozy, and full of charm. Thank you for watching Garden Glow. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Which rustic garden idea will you try first in 2025?